Hey pals, so today I'm going to show you how I helped Darren from Better Content Creators bring his new branding to life using Adobe Express. Now with smart brand kits and the customizable templates, the process becomes totally seamless, making it easy for him to keep his brand look consistent and giving him the confidence to create his own designs. Let me show you how. Now, first things first, I uploaded all of Darren's brand assets, his logos, brand colours and his fonts straight into Adobe Libraries in Illustrator. And this is where it gets really good because Adobe Express syncs directly with Libraries, so any changes I make in Illustrator updates instantly in Express. So if Darren suddenly decides that he wants to make a slight tweak to his logo or add a new colour to his brand palette, I don't have to email him new files that could get confused with his old ones each and every time. He always has the latest version, no downloading and re-uploading needed. That alone saves so much time, and it means that his branding is always up to date. And next I'm going to put together a custom brand kit for Darren. This is where everything lives, his logos, his fonts, his colours, even images, so he never has to dig through folders trying to find the right file. And here's the best part, I can even share the entire brand kit with him. This means he can't accidentally use the wrong font or pick a shade of blue that isn't actually in his colour palette. Everything is right there, ready to go for him to use. Now let's talk about templates, because let's be real, even when a client has all their branding set up, they're still going to need help making their content look good. I set up custom palettes in Express for Darren, and this is where the on-brand recolor tool is a total lifesaver. It doesn't just update the template colours, it actually recolours graphics, icons and even stock images to match the brand kit. For example, let's say Darren picks a stock photo with someone wearing a green t-shirt. With one tap, Express switches the t-shirt colour to one of his brand colours, so everything looks cohesive without any extra editing. That's next level branding control. If you've ever resized a design for different platforms, you know the pain to adjust the sizing, and suddenly half your text is cut off, your image is floating somewhere random and you've had to spend ages fixing it all. Not in Adobe Express. With bulk resize, I can instantly resize Darren's design for a huge number of template sizes, including all your social posts, email banners, even YouTube thumbnails without ruining the layout. Everything just shifts into place automatically. No dragging things back into the right spot, no realigning text, and no headaches basically. What I really love about all this is that Darren doesn't have to be a designer to keep his branding looking sharp. Need a last minute post, he can just open up a template, swap out the text and he's done. Want a fresh new image, the on-brand recolor tool makes sure it still fits his aesthetic. Need content in multiple sizes, and bulk resize saves you hours. And because everything updates automatically, his branding always stays up to date, whether I'm making tweaks in Adobe Illustrator or he's creating posts in Express. Altogether, this setup saves a ridiculous amount of time and makes it so much easier for Darren, other creators and business owners the opportunity to create consistent, professional looking content without overthinking it, even if you're not a designer. If you're ready to simplify your workflow and take control of your brand design, then give it a try. Thanks so much for watching.